Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Welcome to art class.
Yay, I love art. Me too, teacher.
Let's start now. Sit at your table.
I am ready. Me too.
Take your paper. Do you have crayons?
Yes, I do. I have colors too.
Great job. Draw anything you like.
I will draw a flower. I will draw a car.
Nice ideas.
I like red. I like blue. Red is bright. Blue is cool.
Color slowly.
Okay, teacher. I am coloring now.
Very good.
Can I use green? Yes, you can. Thank you. You're welcome.
Draw some shape.
I draw a circle. I draw a square.
Well done.
Art is fun. I love drawing. Me too.
Keep going. Now use paint.
Wow, paint.
Now use paint.
Wow, paint.
Hold the brush softly.
Like this.
Yes, Emma.
I am trying to. Emma, red and yellow mix. It makes orange. So cool.
Great learning. Wipe your hands.
My hands are messy. Mine too.
Clean them now.
What did you draw? A big house. It looks nice. Thank you. Teacher, help me.
What's wrong?
My paint spilled.
It's okay. Use tissue paper.
I will help. Thanks, Emma.
Good teamwork. Work quietly now.
Okay. I am quiet.
Thank you. Are you done?
Yes, teacher. Almost done.
Take your time. Show your art.
Here is mine. This is mine.
Beautiful work.
I like your car. I like your flower. Thank you. You're welcome.
Let's hang them.
On the wall.
Yes, dear.
Wow. Our class looks nice. So colorful.
You did great.
Thank you.
Clean your table.
Okay. I am cleaning.
Good kids. Pack your bag.
My art is inside. Mine too.
Be careful.
I love art class. Me too. It is fun.
I'm happy.
Can we draw again?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yay! Thank you.
Art helps learning.
I learn colors. I learn shapes.
Very good.
I am happy. Me too.
I see smiles.
Hoo.
Art class is over.
Okay, teacher. Bye, art class.
See you.
Bye, teacher. Bye, friends.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.